Will USCIS deny my case because I sued them? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. One of the biggest questions we get when discussing the writ of mandamus, the lawsuit that we file against U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services for delays at the Immigration Office or the USCIS Asylum Office, is our clients are usually concerned that the Immigration Service will punish them or deny their case unjustly or wrongly because the client has decided to seek judicial order compelling immigration to answer their case. And so what are we talking about? We're talking about situations where people have been waiting a really long time to have their citizenship case decided, their green card case decided, their asylum case decided, or their overseas visa case decided. And they've waited years and years, way outside the normal processing times. These people come to us and they want to file a lawsuit against the Immigration Service. Now, our firm has probably handled more of these lawsuits than just about any other firm in the country. Just in the last year, we've probably filed 40 of these lawsuits. We file them all the time, and we have never, ever seen any indication from any of the cases that we've handled that the Immigration Service looks down on these lawsuits or gets angry about these lawsuits or tries to come up with ways to deny the case. The fact of the matter is that the Immigration Service has tons and tons of cases, and what the lawsuit does is it makes them take a case that they have an issue with, something that is a bit complicated or for some reason it's sitting up on a shelf, and it makes them take that case and look at it anew. When we file the lawsuit, we serve a copy on all the defendants, and then the U.S. attorney for the local office has to defend the lawsuit. Many of these lawsuits are filed in Washington, D.C. These attorneys are used to having the government agencies sued. They do not take it personally. It's not like we're asking for money where people are going to fight a little harder because we're trying to take their money. To them, this is just another case, and they'd much rather, in most instances, get the case resolved. And so we've never seen an indication that people are being punished, that our clients are being harmed by filing the lawsuit, because if we did, we would never file such a lawsuit. So the U.S. attorneys just handle it professionally. When we file the lawsuit and we go into a subsequent interview, the case is almost always played straight. We never have any indications or signs that the immigration officers are taking it personally. In fact, we've had many situations where clients come to us and they want to sue the government. And in fact, a USCIS officer or someone on the 1-800 number has told them, look, you've done everything you can. You've filed complaints with the ombudsman. You've contacted your members of Congress. Really, you need to sue the Immigration Service. So we have situations where the Immigration Service itself knows that the only way to get attention to a case is to file a lawsuit. So quite to the contrary, we've seen many situations where cases have dragged on, and we've gotten them resolved positively for our clients, gotten them the result that they wanted, and we've never had a time where either the Immigration Service said out loud or just sort of by their actions indicated that they were trying to single out our clients for having the nerve to sue them. So that should not be one of your concerns. There are concerns, valid concerns with filing a lawsuit. There's things that we need to talk through, but the idea that you're going to be punished for filing a lawsuit, that shouldn't be one of them. So if you're thinking about filing a lawsuit, if your citizenship case is taking too long, if your green card case is taking too long, if you've been waiting for years and years for your spouse to come from overseas, or if your asylum case is taking too long, you should really consider the lawsuit. And the one thing you don't need to worry about is whether or not they're going to punish you for doing it. So give us a call, 314-961-8200, or you can email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com. Happy to answer your questions. If you like this video, please be sure to click like below, share it on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, wherever. Thanks a lot and have a great day.